This country will disappear. This here is Bhutan, and this here is China. And China is slowly taking away land from Bhutan.
Chinese diplomats.
4 Chinese villages in
Himalayas
Bhutan.
along the border with China and Bhutan. That was the site of a standoff.
So here's the deal. Bhutan is known as one of the most happy countries in our world. But at the same time, Bhutan does not recognize most of the international community as existing. But today, Bhutan is being a victim of Chinese expansionism that is not done thanks to the military or the economy, but through settlements. Yes, settlements, you heard that right. Take a look at these two satellite images at the China-Bhutan border, where you can clearly see the change. If you don't believe me, look at this place called De Malong. It now looks like this, but it used to look like this. And now you are probably telling me, but these are just homes of civilians. Where's the problem? Well, here's the problem. The problem is that they are from China, and China is using this strategy in order to eat Bhutan's territory. But what does China gain from this? Well, China is trying to apply pressure on Bhutan, a country with which it shares no diplomatic relations, but that is placed between two regional superpowers, India and China. China is using a so-called salami slicing tactic, which they apply to disputed areas of the world. In other words, they create villages to have a physical presence, which will then be used to back future claims, and eventually they will send the military to protect this population in this region. But many experts agree that it is also part of a larger strategy, which is to contain India in this region of the world that is called the chicken neck, which is extremely important to India and which China is trying to control in a certain way to have the military advantage. That's a big geostrategic point.